Hey guys, it's Anthony here from Bootcamp Co, and I want to run you through one of my favorite snacks. It's basically just a Greek yogurt bowl with some of my favorite toppings, quite nutritious, keeps you full, and it tastes like you're having ice cream. So I've got the first ingredient being Greek yogurt. I like the jar and pot set, just feels like it's the most creamy and fluffy, so that's number one. Number two, I put honey, okay? That's a nice natural sweetener. Put it generously, but don't put too much. And then I've got good old protein. So Tropika, lean protein, chocolate flavor. Let me sprinkle some of that on. So at the moment in the bowl, I've got my yogurt, got my honey, good generous amounts. Let's put some protein powder on top. Let's go a little bit more actually. All right, so there's my protein, chocolate flavor, and then I've got cacao nibs. This is just like crunchy cacao, basically. So it tastes like you're having chocolate, but it's dark chocolate, and it's quite bitter, but the honey actually makes everything quite sweet. So this just gives it a good amount of crunch. And to have even more crunch, I've got some macadamia pieces. So these are half pieces, so they're not too big. Again, more crunch. I like adding a generous amount in there. And then the last ingredient, I do frozen berries. You can put fresh berries, but I don't know, I really like it cold. So let's get some frozen berries in there. There we go. And then we mix it all up. Mix it all up. It looks like sludge, but basically you're getting a good dose of fats from the yogurt, the nuts, protein from your protein powder, and you are getting your carbohydrates from honey, berries as well. So it sort of just hits the spot. Good for snacks, good for when you don't know what to eat and you don't really want to go for something too sweet. And it's obviously quite refreshing and keeps you full as well. So there it is, my Greek yogurt bowl. Bon appetit.